welcome to my channel. I am Parmeshwari. Today's video is my home tour. In this video, I'm gonna share some interesting information about how we shortlisted this house after viewing at least 20 to 30 houses. Also, I'll be sharing some tips related to buying a home in Canada throughout the video. So keep watching, and if you're watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. So let's get started.